but rather a operational requirement to get rid of fuel quickly. And between the jet pipes was the best place to locate the dump valve of this particular aircraft. And of course it had the double advantage of this added spectacle.
Well, folks, how spectacular is that? That's fantastic. That's the Dump and Burn from the RAAF F-111G.